A 5-day training for sexual defense lawyers takes place this week in Honiara. The Defense of Sexual Offences workshop is focusing on handling sensitive sexual offence cases, hosted by the Victorian Bar Association in partnership with the Solomon Islands Australian Partnership. Facilitated by experts from Australia's Victorian Bar Association, the session targets Solomon Islands government justice counterparts, especially the Public Solicitor's Office. Tavuli News speaks to the president of the Solomon Islands Bar Association, and he says the workshop aims to bolster legal defense strategies in complex cases, enhancing justice delivery.
To upgrade knowledge, increasing knowledge, and also for upgrading now the current solicitors, like law and changing. The current law changes every time. Trends, developments for law kind of thing change. So our lawyers needs to get updated. Yeah, and by doing such trainings, also by upgrading skills, knowledge, and also law. Time mo to upgrade also by helping mo katalo cases block kata tu. Yeah. So training this wala done by Victoria by on start law today and kasem law Wednesday. Yeah. So might be law test day. I think about doing closing and presentation for certificates law. Yeah.
This initiative underscores bilateral commitment to fair trials and victim-sensitive justice. Over 20 local lawyers are participating in the workshop with plans for follow-up sessions.